Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. Today we are going to discuss yet another interesting topic of Microsoft Excel, that is how to customize menu bar. So on a menu bar, you can see which is placed just after the title bar, just below of the title bar. It has their own set of tabs like File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Page layout, Formula, Data, Review, like that. And each and every tab is having their own set of commands which are placed on ribbon panel. So let's say this is the example. This is the ribbon panel for Home tab. Within this, we are having certain groups, and within a group, set of related commands are organized. So like that, we are having another tab like Insert. Insert has another set of groups, and within their groups, another related set of commands are there. So let's say there are 1,000 commands which are available in Excel, but we are using not all the commands, but we are using throughout the day. Out of all commands, we are working on 50 commands, let's say, and all these 50 commands are not available at one place. All those kind of 50 commands are available here and there, which are spreaded across various tabs. So obviously, in order to work with a particular command, we have to keep on moving from the one tab to another tab. And within a tab, we have to go for 2 level, 3 level down the line to find out the command. So it's going to be time consuming work. It's going to be sometimes frustrated work. So what we can do is, why don't we create our own tab on menu bar? And within that particular tab, we will combine all the commands we are oftenly using throughout the day. So let's begin how to modify this menu bar. That means how to create our own custom tab. So in order to perform this, we have to go to File. Within a file, we are having an option called Options. We'll click on this. Then you'll be getting this kind of screen. Within this, we are having an option called Customize Ribbon. We will click on this. The moment we will click on this, you will notice that all tabs which was there on your menu bar is available out here. Now, here I can tell you one more thing. If you wanted to change the order of these predefined tabs on menu bar, you can change the order. How we can change? Let's say I want this Insert tab to be placed after the Formula tab. So I'll select the Insert tab like this, and there is a down arrow. So we will take this particular Insert tab after the Formula. So it has been placed like this. Now, our main objective was to create our own tab. So in order to create our own tab, here is a button called New tab. We can click on New tab. Automatically, you can notice this new tab got created, but it doesn't have any specific name. So we have to give a user-friendly name. So in order to rename this, we can select this and we can click on Rename button. This is going to allow us to name this particular tab, whatever tab we are going to create. So for that, we have to give a user-friendly name. So let's say this is my own official work. For the own official work, we are going to create a tab. So let's give a name to this particular tab as My Official. So let's say I have given name as My Official. You can have any name instead of this. So you can click on this. So one tab got created called My Official, and you can notice within a bracket it has been written called custom. That means as per the customer need, as per the human need, as per the organization need, we have created. So this is the customized tab. Within this, we are having a group. So one of the group is New Group. So by default, one group would be there. So I wanted to rename this a group called New Group. We are going to change the name of this just by clicking on Rename. And here we can mention the group name. So my group name could be like this. I am writing very simple name as Group 1, and I'll say OK. That group has been created. Let's say you wanted to create another group. So again, I'll select this customized tab name, which we have created just now, and I'll do the right click. And or just by selecting this, you can create, you can click on a button called new group. So one new group has been created. Let's change the name of this particular group. So we are renaming it. Now I'm giving a name to this particular group as group 2. Now, so far we have created our own customized tab. Within a tab, we are having a 2 groups, and each and every group is going to have set of commands, set of command button, which we are going to use. So let's say these are the commands. These are the frequently used command which we have. Or if you wanted to have all set of command available of Excel, so you can select on all commands. So all set of possible commands are here. Clear? Or you can select a command from a particular category. So let's say I want to get the tab from here, and let's say I'm going for popular commands only in order to understand it. So let's say I have taken it here as format painter, and I'll be clicking on add. So this format painter has been added to group 2. Now, like that, I've taken a option called quick print. There is another way of adding these commands. So directly you can select your command of your choice, and you can drag it down. You can drag it and you can place it into a particular group. So I'm dragging it and I'm placing it in a newly created group called group 1. Likewise, here I have taken, let's say, another command. Let's say I'm working oftenly with a macro. This is again a wonderful feature of Microsoft Excel. So I'll drag it down and I'll leave it on group 1. So right now group 1 is having 2 commands. Group 2 is having only 1 command. So let's say one more command into a group 2. So take example, I have taken the conditional formatting. I'll take it and I'll put it in the group 2. Along with that, I have taken the all chart type and I have placed in the group 2. So now finally, we have created one tab called My Official. Within that, 2 groups, group 1 having 2 commands and group 2 is having 3 commands. And let's final it. So we can click on OK. And you can notice on your menu bar. So we did 2 things. We have changed the location of this particular insert tab, which was earlier after home. Now it is available after the formula. Remember, we have selected that and we have used down arrow key in order to place it in different location. Apart from that, see, this is the tab which we have created, My Official. So this is my own created tab, and for my tab, this is the ribbon panel. And within the ribbon panel, we have got 2 groups, group 1, group 2. Group 1 is having 2 commands and group 2 is having 3 commands out here. So this is the way by which you can create your own custom tab. If you wanted to do modification, so similarly, you have to go to the file. Within a file, you have to go to the option. And within an option, again, you have to click on customize ribbon and see your all data are available out here. Let's say you don't need this format painter. You want to take it out from there. So you can select it and we can remove it from there. Clear? So that got removed. Instead of that, in place of that, I wanted to add something different. Clear? I wanted to add something like option like sort or shapes. So I'll take these shapes and I'll put it there. And again, I'll click on OK. And you can notice this shapes has come in place of that command. Now, if you don't need this particular tab anymore, so you can delete this particular tab. Again, in order to delete it, you can go to the file. Again, we can go to the option. Within this, we will select the customize ribbon and we will select the tab which we have created. And after that, we can select an option called remove. This is the remove. So just if I click the remove, so that tab which we have created is no more available on our menu bar. So friends, this is all for the day. Tomorrow again, I'll meet you all with another interesting topic of Excel. Till then, keep revising, keep computing, keep studying. So see you tomorrow on the same channel with a new topic. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. So we will meet again in the next video. Thank you very much.